Neighborhood and community services enhances residents' well-being through resources that reduce disparities. GrandInvolve, a key program, recruits older adults to volunteer in Title I schools, fostering intergenerational connections and supporting students and teachers. Edie Walker, a dedicated GrandInvolve volunteer, finds joy in tutoring at-risk students.
My name is Edie Walker. I volunteer at Bailey's Elementary School, Lower Elementary School. I decided to get involved with GrandInvolve because I have volunteered in the classroom before and I've missed it. I enjoy working one-on-one with the children. I want to know about this. So my typical day is, because we're a Spanish immersion classroom, the kids take Spanish half the day and English half the day, and then they switch. So rather than come in twice a week, I just stay all day so I can work with both groups of kids. So having a volunteer gives them another adult to build a relationship with. And for the volunteers, many of us are empty nesters, and so that gives us the opportunity to be with young people and children. That's good. I volunteer because in some small way, I hope I'm able to make a little impact on somebody's life. You know, if that child goes home that day just a little happier because they got some attention, to me, that's all it's about, you know, is maybe having a little impact on somebody in a positive way.
Baking some cake, right?
We are truly grateful to our volunteers. Together, we are building a brighter, more connected community. Thank you for your dedication, passion, and service. Please check the Fairfax County Volunteer website and reach out to Neighborhood and Community Services for more ways to reconnect, re-engage, and rediscover the power of community.